Most people are not broke because they do not earn enough. They are broke because of 7 specific money mistakes they repeat over and over without even realizing it. And the painful truth is that most of these mistakes feel completely normal because everyone around you is making them too. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all 7, explain exactly why they are destroying your financial future, and tell you precisely what to do instead. If you fix even 3 of these, your financial life will look completely different a year from now. Mistake number 1, spending before you save. This is the most common and most destructive money mistake in the world. Most people follow this pattern. They get paid, they spend on bills, food, lifestyle, and whatever is left, if anything, they save. This is completely backwards. This is why most people reach the end of the month with nothing, every single month, for their entire working lives. The fix is simple but powerful. Pay yourself first. The moment your income arrives, move a fixed amount, even if it is just 5%, directly into a separate savings account before you spend a single dollar on anything else. Automate this transfer so it happens without you thinking about it. What you do not see, you do not spend. This one habit alone has built more wealth than any investment strategy ever created. Mistake number 2, living without a budget. If you do not tell your money where to go, it will disappear and you will never know where it went. That is not a metaphor. That is literally what happens to millions of people every single month. They have no idea what they spent their money on, and they wonder why they cannot save. A budget does not mean restricting yourself. It means giving every dollar a job. Use the simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, subscriptions. 20% goes to savings and investments. That is it. Review it once a week for 10 minutes, and your money awareness will transform completely within 30 days. Mistake number 3, carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt is one of the most effective wealth-destroying tools ever created. The average credit card charges between 18 and 24% interest annually. That means if you carry a $1,000 balance for a year, you are paying $200 just in interest, for nothing. No asset, no return, pure loss. The fix is ruthless. Stop adding to the debt immediately. Then attack it using the avalanche method. Pay minimum payments on all debts, then throw every extra dollar at the highest interest debt first. Once that is gone, move to the next. Every dollar you spend paying off high interest debt is a guaranteed 18 to 24% return. No investment on earth reliably beats that. Mistake number 4, not having an emergency fund. This is the mistake that sends people spiraling into debt the moment life throws a curveball. And life always throws curveballs. Car breaks down, medical bill arrives, job loss. If you have no emergency fund, every unexpected expense goes straight onto a credit card at 20% interest. Your goal is 3 to 6 months of living expenses sitting in a separate, untouched savings account. Start small. Even $1,000 changes your entire relationship with money emergencies. It means a crisis becomes an inconvenience instead of a catastrophe. Build this before you invest in anything else. This is your financial foundation. Mistake number 5, trying to look rich instead of being rich. The car that is too expensive, the apartment that stretches your budget, the designer items bought to impress people you barely know. These purchases feel good for a moment and then quietly drain your wealth for years. The people who look the richest are often the ones with the least actual wealth. There is a concept called stealth wealth, living below your means while aggressively building assets behind the scenes. Drive a reliable used car. Live in a home you can genuinely afford. Redirect what you would have spent on appearances into investments that compound. In 10 years, the gap between the person who looked rich and the person who became rich is staggering. Mistake number 6, avoiding investing because it feels risky. Keeping all your money in a savings account feels safe. It is not. Inflation is silently eating your purchasing power every single year. If inflation runs at 3% and your savings account pays 1%, You are losing 2% of your real wealth every year while doing nothing. You do not need to be a financial expert to start investing. A simple, low-cost index fund that tracks the total stock market has historically returned 7 to 10% per year over the long term. You do not need to pick stocks. You do not need to time the market. You just need to start, stay consistent, and leave it alone. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Mistake number 7, having only one income stream. If you have one job and that job disappears tomorrow, your entire financial life collapses. One income stream means zero financial security, no matter how much that income stream pays. The wealthiest people in the world do not have one income stream. They have many. Salary, investments, rental income, business income, royalties, digital products. You do not need to build all of these at once. Start with one side income stream alongside your main job. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, a YouTube channel, a digital product. Add one stream per year consistently, and within 5 years, your financial resilience will be completely transformed. 7 money mistakes that keep people broke. Spending before saving, living without a budget, carrying high interest debt, skipping the emergency fund, trying to look rich instead of being rich, avoiding investing, and relying on a single income stream. Pick the one mistake you know you are making right now. Just one. Fix that one this week, then come back and fix the next one. Small, consistent changes to your financial habits compound just like money does. Slowly at first, then all at once. Subscribe to Smart Money Insights for a new money strategy every single week. Drop a comment below. Which of these 7 mistakes hit closest to home for you? I read every single comment. I will see you in the next one.